Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you why your goals are like hunger and 3 steps that can transform your life. When you're hungry, you go to the kitchen and you prepare some food. There are some foods that are very simple to prepare because you have the knowledge, the know-how, and experience to do it. Just like some goals are very simple to achieve because you already know how to do it. Now, there are going to be other foods that will require some time and patience from you and also need you to look into recipes. Just like those goals are going to require you to step out of your comfort zone, seek help and assistance from people who are in a position that can help you. Now, let me share 3 things that can help you transform your life. First things first, you need to seek wisdom and find out how things work. Second thing, you must study success and study things that can change your life economically, socially, mentally, financially, spiritually, things that can really transform your life. Now, the third thing is develop ideas, take massive action, go the extra mile. If you're not going the extra mile, you're only playing games. You cannot do things half-assed because it's not going to work. So take action, go the extra mile, and continue to seek help. If you found this video helpful and very useful, make sure you leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.